In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Everything in the heavens and the earth praises Allah. He is the Almighty, the Wise. O you who believe! Why do you say what you do not do? It is most hateful to Allah that you say what you do not do. Allah loves those who fight in His cause, in ranks, as though they were a compact structure. When Moses said to his people, O my people, why do you hurt me, although you know that I am Allah's messenger to you? And when they swerved, Allah swerved their hearts. Allah does not guide the sinful people. And when Jesus son of Mary said, O children of Israel, I am Allah's messenger to you, confirming what preceded me of the Torah, and announcing good news of a messenger who will come after me, whose name is Ahmad. But when he showed them the miracles, they said, This is obvious sorcery. And who is a great wrongdoer than he who attributes falsehoods to Allah, when he is being invited to Islam? Allah does not guide the wrongdoing people. They want to extinguish Allah's light with their mouths, but Allah will complete His light, even though the disbelievers dislike it. It is He who sent His messenger with the guidance and the true religion, to make it prevail over all religions, even though the idolaters dislike it. O you who believe! Shall I inform you of a trade that will save you from a painful torment? That you believe in Allah and His messenger, and strive in the cause of Allah with your possessions and yourselves. That is best for you, if you only knew. He will forgive you your sins, and will admit you into gardens beneath which rivers flow, and into beautiful mansions in the gardens of Eden. That is the supreme success. And something else you love, support from Allah, and imminent victory. So give good news to the believers. O you who believe! Be supporters of Allah, as Jesus son of Mary said to the disciples, Who are my supporters towards Allah? The disciples said, We are Allah's supporters. So a group of the children of Israel believed, while another group disbelieved. We supported those who believed against their foe, so they became dominant.